Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Z offset in Bambu Studio. I will show you how you can do that with G code in Bambu Studio, and but basically you can also do that on your printer's screen if you go to the control or motion menu, and there you can select Z offset. But let's do that also here in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side setting panel under the printer section right here. Click the small edit icon next to your printer's name. So right here, edit preset basically. You will see then this window, and uh, you will click then on Machine G Code tab at the top here. Alright, now look at the first text box named Machine Start G Code. So this is this one right here. Scroll down about midway through the code until you find a section for your specific build plate. So look for a texture PA plate. Let's find it. Okay, so right here, texture PA plate, and look for the line that starts with G29.1 Z. It will look something like this, like that, and change the number inside the brackets. So change, let's say 0.04 to 0.05 or 6. So to move the nozzle away from the bed, less squishy, uh, move the number closer to 0. So you can put it to 0.02 or also 0.00. Now what we are going to do is click here on this floppy disk at the top, and press it and rename here that you know what you have changed. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next